from grade 7 at Excel Public School, Mysore. Our project focuses on the issue of heat loss in solar heaters, especially during the winter and rainy seasons.
Solar heaters are effective in summer, but they face major problems in the winter seasons. Heat loss. This happens because of convection, conduction and radiation. When the temperature drops, the water in the solar heater cools down, and most people use hot water at night when the stored heat has already been lost. This often leads to health issues like cold and fever due to insufficient hot water.
We discovered that many people have problems with solar heaters during rainy or cold season. They reported insufficient hot water, inadequate supply, and even no hot water at all. Despite this, they do not take steps to protect their heaters, leading to significant heat loss. Our solution is an automated weather responsive system that helps reduce heat loss. We have developed a motorized cover for the solar heater that automatically rolls down when the temperature falls below 20 degrees Celsius or when it rains. This cover protects the solar heater from unnecessary exposure to the cold, ensuring that the water stays hot for longer. The system is based on IoT technology, using sensors to detect temperature and rain. When the conditions are right, the motor rolls the cover down, and when the weather improves, the cover automatically rolls back up. This ensures that the solar heater remains insulated, preventing heat loss and ensuring hot water is always available. We use several components to build the system. Arduino Uno, the controller for the system, LCD display to show the temperature and status, DC gear motor to move the cover, temperature and rain sensors to detect the weather conditions.
In conclusion, our solar heater security system offers a simple automated solution to the heat loss problem. It ensures that solar heaters stay efficient during cold and rainy seasons, helping people access hot water when they need it most. This innovation will not only improve the performance of solar heaters but also prevent health issues related to cold water. Thank you for watching, and we hope our innovation makes solar heaters more reliable for everyone.